Hi, this is Dr. Vivek. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the beverages that you should not consume if you want a healthy digestion. If you don't want gas, bloating, any kinds of indigestion, then you should avoid these drinks. And in this, the first thing that you should avoid is, it's not a beverage, but it's how you drink that beverage. It is the use of the straw. Anything, if you drink with straw, what happens that you sip the air also. Air in Ayurveda is known as vata, and if you use the straw, you will have lots of vata going on inside your body, means you will be getting air inside your body, and this will cause the bloating, the gas. So it's better to avoid using the straw. Just drink it from the glass or how you want, just don't use the straw, and you'll see that this simple tip is gonna help you. Second thing is use of coffee. Yes, you will say, oh, I have good digestion after coffee. It helps me to clean my intestine in the morning. What happens is it gives a short effect. After using it for a few days, then your body gets adapted to it, and in the long run, it causes indigestion, and you can't clear your intestine without the use of coffee in the future. So it's better to avoid coffee because it will cause indigestion, it will cause refluxes. It is going to create lots of problem in your gastrointestinal tract. So it's better to remove this. Third is use of all the carbonated drinks. You all know this. It shows those bubbles and all. This is going to create gas, bloating, all these problems in your stomach, in your intestine. So better to remove this. Another interesting beverage that causes problem is apple juices. Yes, apple juices can cause the gas or the bloating. How? Because they have the pectin, and when you take the juice, you get lots of pectin just by drinking this apple juice, and this can create gas and bloating. But if you'll chew the apple, then you are not going to chew very fast, just within seconds or within a minute you will eat whole of the apple. It's gonna take time. This is gonna go slow, and it's gonna go with the fiber. So using an apple is a good thing, but drinking the apple juice, it's not good for your stomach. So go for the apple, not for the apple juice. Plus, the companies nowadays, what they do is they add the chemical pectin to make it taste better, to qualify all the laboratory tests. For this, they add it, and this indeed is a chemical that will cause the problems in your stomach. So it's better to go for whole fruit rather than going for the apple juice. Even I will say not to drink any kinds of juices. Go for vegetables, go for salads, go for whole fruits rather than going for their juices. Whole fruits will be much more beneficial than the juices. Another thing that causes the problem in our stomach is the drinks high in sodium, as broths, as the soup that we buy from the market. If you buy, always buy without sodium. Why? Because again, there are lots of chemicals in it, and there will be high level of sodium in it. So if you want to buy without salt, add the Himalayan salt, the pink salt in it, and then consume it. It will be much better. The last thing in my list, it is hot drinks and black tea. These things will damage the flora. These are going to create the problems in your stomach, and for sure these are going to create gas and bloating. So if you don't want this, it's better to move to an herbal alternative. Nowadays there are thousands of herbal teas. Go for them. They will help you in digestion. They will give you lots of antioxidants. So go for herbal tea, and this will help you. So these were some of the simple and effective tips or the knowledge that I wanted to share with you. I hope that these small tips will do some of the good changes in your life. Smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.